Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Wordscapes game on your Android. So in order to do that, open your Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box and type in Wordscape. After you are done typing in, go to the search result and look for this application from People Fun. To begin downloading, tap the install button and wait for the application to download. Wordscapes is a puzzle game developed by People Fun and it is available on both Android and iOS platforms. The game has over 14 million players worldwide and it is a modern word puzzle game that combines anagrams, crosswords, and word search puzzles with beautiful sceneries. Once the download and installation is completed, tap on the play button to start playing the game on your Android. That is how you can easily download Wordscapes game for your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.